I bought this teleprompter a while ago and I couldn't unbox it because unfortunately I lost my voice and wanted to record with my own voice. Now that my voice is back, I am unboxing the teleprompter. There was an issue with my thyroid, which I didn't know, but thank goodness for medicine, doctors, that's under control now. Okay, so here we have a remote control. So it looks like this particular model comes with a remote control. It's like a joystick. And then in the box, let's see what we have here. In here we have, it looks like these are different adapters for your camera, depending on the size. So that's good to know. Let's put that aside. On this, in here we have, let's see, we have an adapter for your phone or tablet. This is for the phone. Let's put that aside. One box down. Let's see, another box here. Let's see what's in here. So this looks like it's a carrying case. Very nice. Sort of like a suede type. Good to know. Put aside. Oh wait, we have something else in here. Oh, these are sort of like paddings for the teleprompter. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Let's take this out. And here is the actual teleprompter. It's a small one. And I don't remember how much I paid for this. It's been a while now. So, and of course here is the user manual by VEVOR. Of course, this video is not sponsored, so in the box you have all these components, so I'm going to make sure that I go through that later on off camera. And here is the teleprompter. So it's made of plastic, as you can hear. Not a big teleprompter. It looks like you put the camera through here, and then you put all the connectors that we saw earlier, and that's how you mount it. So mount it here, and this is for the smartphone. Let me take this off because sometimes people like that feeling. So here I have my Nikon D3300, and the lens is 52. So I'm going to go in here and look for the 52 adapter. I don't know which one it's going to be, but let's see if it's in here. If it's in here. 49, 52 right here. 52. It has a little tape. I didn't see that. Oopsie, sorry. So now this, we're going to attach it to this thing here. We're just going to screw it in. That's it, right? Good. Now, here we have the tablet or cell phone holder. This is the bottom. So we're going to, I guess you have to put it in and then twist it. And that's it. You just twist it and it's locked. This is gonna go there. Yeah, that plate didn't go there, so I gotta make sure I have the right one. Okay, so it just slides up like that. And it's gonna be held in place. So actually the camera, you're gonna put on your tripod. And if you wanna have it more secure, then you can also put another tripod here or a stand to hold it. Okay, so it's gonna look like this, right? Look. Okay, so you're gonna place your tablet here or your cell phone. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I have a tablet here. This is my 9-inch Samsung, so we're just gonna expand it here, and it's gonna sit right there just like that, and it is secured. It's not gonna go anywhere. So the teleprompter came with 3 different foam rings. Let's see if you can see it closely. They have different configuration depending on the type of camera that you have. So for my iPhone 12 Pro, this is the most suitable for it because it's in a square format like that. So what I do is I'll take this, attach it to one of the lens adapters, put it through here like that, and then this is going to go right on the teleprompter. All you have to do is just slide it up here like that, and that's it. And then you're going to take the phone and you're going to use the magnetic piece that came with it. So here's the magnetic piece for the smartphone. So I'm just going to attach it here. And I have a little heavy duty case here, so let's see if it's going to hold. And because this is magnetic, you can just attach it here or however fits on this configuration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to align the lens with this opening here. So that would be like this, like that. And because it's magnetic, this thing is not going to go anywhere. So that's how you hope you can see it. You can see the lens through that using this phone adapter that came with the teleprompter. Here's the remote control. I was finally able to get it to work with the application that came with the teleprompter. So the application is called VEVOR, something like that. So what we're gonna have is something very simple. Turn it on by holding this button here for a couple of seconds. That's it. And it automatically connected with my Bluetooth right now. So now I'm gonna fire up the application, VEVOR, however you want to pronounce it. And we're just gonna start by pressing the button here. And you see how the letters are scrolling, right? So then I pause it. And that's all I can do. I guess if you want to move the page up or down, you can use the buttons that up and down, or the X and the B. That's how it's going. That's how it's doing it. So B, go down, all the way down, and then the X goes up. In order to control the speed, you will have to go into the menu at the bottom, right here. And then with the joystick, you move around until you get to that piece. So it's here. This is where you control the speed, and then you press this button here, and that open up the browsing speed, and then you move the joystick to left or right to increase or decrease the speed of the script. Okay, change the background. You can change it to, let's do maybe white, and then the text, make it black. And then this way you can see that little line here. That line, when you're talking, you have to speak when the words are on top of that line, right? So this, and then teleprompter. And if you see that it's too slow, again, open the menu, go to the menu, and then increase the speed. The main purpose is that I got this remote control to work. I've tried so many other applications, but none of them seem to work with this particular model because this is for the VEVOR, however you pronounce it, teleprompter. Well, all in all, based on my review of the teleprompter, it works as intended. It is compact and portable for solo content creators like me, and for all of you who are planning on starting your own YouTube journey, I think this will be a great start. The glass is so clear, making it easy on the eyes when reading the script. The remote control is not high-end material. This is just plastic, but for the money, it works. However, getting the app to work with the remote and the application was sort of like a headache. But the problem was not pairing it with the phone. That worked successfully. However, getting getting the remote to communicate with the app was not working at all. But after a lot of trial and errors, I finally got it working. So anyway, be mindful if you're planning on getting this teleprompter. Would I recommend it? Yes, of course, I will recommend it. As you can see, the glass is clear. The words are coming up easily for me to read, and I haven't had any trouble since. So thank you for watching, and be well.